Damn, look at that.
8 severe thunderstorm warning, parts of Cobb, Douglas, Fulton counties for a few more minutes here live in the Storm Center. Just a moment. First Triple Team traffic, Doug Turco. Live in the Storm Center, repeating the severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect until 5:15.
5:15.
Southern Cobb, northeast Douglas.
That's not me.
And central Fulton.
Oh, it's
County.
coming. It's right there.
Weakening though.
Weakening.
Produced marble-sized hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts.
It's horse.
4,000 lightning.
Whoa, 4,000! Damn, this thing has just been blowing lightning out its ass. Oh yeah, look at how you can tell the wind is blowing, pushing all this rain out. Total microburst. That might not itself be a microburst, but it's what microbursts are made of. Oh, there was what I was looking for. Now, are you a 757? Damn, we are right on the doorstep. Look at that. A321 Doppelganger. Looks remarkably like a 757, but in fact is Airbus, a company that I am now deeply in love with. Who'da thunk it? Who'da thunk about Cinco Slam 2? On tripod, listen, human tripod, giant lightning bolt just struck right there. You can now hear the rumble. I have been so pressed for time, so hurry up mode, that I have not even gotten my live ATC out. Holy, that was like right here. Lightning rods. Oh my God, that was right there. Give me some more lightning. Do I dare walk out here next to the lightning rod? Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Who's trying to make it in at the last minute? It's a little biz jet. Yeah, it looks like a Gulfstream, a G200 or 100 or one of those. Yes, it even has a G on the tail. I know what I'm talking about. Gulfstream. Talking about Gulfstream. The Gulfstream promotional aircraft, excuse me, is here to try to compete with Airbuses. My goodness, Cinco Slam for you, but we'll catch it on the other side just because it's Gulfstream, sorry. And Gulfstream? Ooh, Gulfstream. Kind of just in time.
Delta 33, get a wind shear alert. Delta 33 heavy, roger, stay in position.
What are you gonna do? Where are you? There it is. There, oh my God.
33 heavy, trying to go.
No, f I can barely see it. It's right there.
33 heavy, track to localizer, climb and maintain 4,000.
Damn it. To go around, I can't win this.
Climb 4,000.
There it is.
2528, taxi via the Victor Loop. Victor Loop, Delta 2528.
A330.
Number 5233, Atlantic Tower, runway 26 right, continue.
Can't discern 300 or 200 variant, I believe 300.
Traffic off departure in, MD-88.
Oh, wow.
280 heading when you...
The lens splatter, let's get it. Listen! Oh! Yeah!
Central aircraft hazard weather information, convective SIGMET 30 and 31
convective
east
SIGMET.
and 30 central on high watch, full contact flight service.
And Tower Delta 296, are you showing rain on the field right now?
Oh, yeah!
Light rain on the field at a half a mile.
Whoa!
It goes from being heavy, moderate to drizzle.
Alright.
And visibility becomes clear at a 1 mile final and lightning in the vicinity.
Alright.
Zoom in on Delta 1096. You an I get the unmistakable impression you're Oh, I'm in a lens splatter zone. Fire. Please bear with me. No, you're not an you're a lure. Everything is out of whack today. It looks like it's lightening up to my north.
Wind 02011.
Oh my God!
And the approach end of runway 26 right, wind 0708.
That's you, Delta 906. Just keep it steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Alright, in lieu of Cinco Slam, we're just gonna drop it off right about there and go ahead and wait for it over here. Delta 2906. Oh, shit, look at that lens splatter. Stay zoomed out, it's better. See if we can't get any thrust reverser spray off this bad boy. Spirit is still here, in case you haven't noticed. And I don't think we're gonna see any thrust reverser spray. Actually, I take that back. We just, whoa, my God, the lightning is like right on top of me. There's the thrust reverser spray. Delta 906 always makes it home. There's some people getting it on in this car. Getting it on right next to me. Wonder how far they're gonna take it. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, So beyond the necking couple, whoa, lightning over here, and the big lineup here on the south deck. Let's look, a 764, one without the cheek stamp and a little bit of vape. Ooh, a lot of wing shim. Still exist in this moist environment, as one can see. Just looks moist out here, doesn't it? Speaking of moist, the couple in the vehicle next to me continues to pursue foreplay right in front of me. It's okay. A321s enable Spirit to provide a much longer aisle for maddened and insane passengers to run up and down. The longer the aisle, the easier it is for that crazy passenger to wear him or herself out and return to his or her seat, fasten his or her seatbelt, and return to the upright position. Lots of company. The couple has exited their vehicle, perhaps post-coitus, and then another guy right there who looks like he'd be a friend of mine. Might be a friend I've never met, or haven't met yet. 764 that just arrived is trying to make its way in amongst all of these taxiers. Their cheek stamp refuses to budge. There's all sorts of weird cloud formations and looks. Look at that, what in the world? I need to put a time lapse on that, watch it move. Oh, okay. The Force for Global Good, or whatever the hell the little subtitle was on this cheek stamp. It's gonna go investigate that weird cloud color / formation for us. Paving the way for a classic 763 Dubs, which we adore and will miss when they're gone. We already missed the 763 non-Dubs, don't you? I guess FedEx and Prime / Amazon bring their fair share, but seeing it on a mainline passenger. Oh, hey! Let me interrupt myself. A330, finally, after all the Boeing's been trying to counter the Airbus propaganda that I've been exposed to today. Yes, Delta 26 Heavy out of Seoul, South Korea. After having spent 2 hours in a holding pattern over Rome, Georgia, is now finally free of the overcast or undercast and can pretty much make a visual approach. The rain is beginning to come down. I fear the lens splatter will disrupt my attempted Airbus Grand Finalmente. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna do my best for y'all. Then I gotta go get some food. Oh, A350 beginning its short final. Let's look at the black under eye, or the sunglasses, or whatever the hell it is. Whoa, cool! Oh, nice, unexpected duplicate. What I wouldn't give for a go-around. Oh my, was that some vapor fog or something? Let's expand the box. Make room for error. A350, 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 900. 763 Dubs is going to compete. It's going to compete directly. Needs to accelerate a little bit more. Oh, wow, whoa, cool touchdown, A350. Sexy ass winglet, or whatever the hell you want to call those things. No idea. Let's look at this. 2 Virgins and a Qatari A350. I don't know if I have the battery life for this. Stay tuned and find out next. This A330-200 Virgin Atlantic bearing the name of Honky Tonk Woman. He's a honky-tonk woman. Give me a honky-tonk love. All right. And who do we have here? Golden Girl. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. Oh, I've got more. More cards in my pocket. Whoa, hey! Front-facing 7.5. Surprise, A350. Back to Doha, where instead of dodging these hidden-miss severe thunderstorms common in the southeast, you deal with dust storms. It's right? Dust storms. There's a name for it that they call it. I can't remember what it is right now. You can imagine. My brain is just about as frazzled as it comes in a very, very positive way. You know, that's you, Airbus. No, oh my God, what a tragedy. As I praised you, you went smashing into the wall of this. It's a UFO, Tom, look at it. Oh my God, look at it. Can you see it in my viewfinder, Tom? That is UFO. Move on! Another one of them UFOs in Hartsfield airspace. Here comes a shiny giraffe on Sunday, July the 8th. July the 8th. I think it's the 8th. Let's see, Friday was the 6th. Saturday is the 7th. Yes, Sunday the 8th. Welcome to Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta, Keisha Lance Bottoms International. Whoa, hello, Mr. 200. SkyTeam is being summoned to Dusseldorf. A crisis has erupted. Before it gets out of hand and makes the mainstream media, i.e. Tom, SkyTeam wants to get out of here and fix the issue. Clean up the problem. It's known as a fixer. SkyTeam is a fixer of sorts. You kill somebody and you need the body disposed of, that's when you call SkyTeam. Not really, it's just like an equivalent. It's an analogy. If you were an assassin, SkyTeam would be your cleaner. The airline world, we don't murder people. I'm sorry, I dug myself way too deep in this hole. I don't know if I can even recover it, so we'll just go SkyTeam, off to Dusseldorf now. Or now. Oh God, SkyTeam, always cutting it close and hurting itself with the wall of doom. Look at this, United Continental's trying to get in the way of Hometown Airlines' European destined heady jet rush, and it appears to be successful. Dr. Doe, is that you? Although now that is more representative of that passenger on that Spirit Airlines flight that went running up and down the aisles just shrieking as if she was possessed by freaking Satan himself. I know what hell it is. I've been there. Or herself. You're not going to give me time to figure out where you're going. You are. Oh, London Heathrow. You're Delta 30. Haha. No groan off this A330 because of the engine spikes. No groan. Finally bursting into some sunshine. Shine on my shoulder. Oh, she started singing. All right, get up, get busy, do it. That's a 900, right? That is a 700. Southwest doesn't have 900s, Tom. We're taking Tom to identification 2102. This is 2000 level identification. He's easily passed the 1000 level core curriculi. So you're asking that? I'm not gonna make you look foolish. This is the best way to learn. It might be an 8. It might be an 800. It is an 800, Tom. So you're not totally out of your mind. You don't know any better. Wait a minute. No, this is 7. Hang on. I get them confused now. That's a 700. Look how short and stubby. Oh, look how beat up you are. Holy fire. Look at that. Someone needs some paint or some boneyard. My goodness. I wonder what did that. Bird strike? Hail strike? What was it? The other evidence of filth? My God. That's just unbecoming. It's like a whole other logo. See, he's going to do this thing where they don't freaking throttle up until they get to the midway point. Come on, man. If you're going to go full length, go full length. Just go all the way. No need to throttle up once you get to this threshold. Oh, Jesus.
9933 heavy, Atlanta Tower with 1205, runway 9 right, clear ground number 1.
Oh, who is that? 9933 heavy, who are we? Oh, 777 out of Los Angeles. Screw the 764 slow takeoffer. Guess what, fella? You missed your opportunity because you didn't go full length when giving the hell out of the way. Yep. A 777 bearing the flight number 9933 indicates This is a lure variant. Backdrop, we're going to have a double here, a parallelogram. We'll into the frame momentarily. I'll try to make some room for it. You will enjoy, trust me. Stay tuned and find out next. Wonder who's on board 9933. Could it be a sports team or who else wants to go to Los Angeles? Hollywood stars. There we go. There's the parallelogram I referenced to help my dialogue didn't distract you from it. Enjoy Delta
AC5491 at Papa, cross runway 9 left, going Lima and contact ground 1.5.
There we go. Look, triple bogeys dangling there, just dangling, waiting for the groundscape. Pardon me and my mistake. I'll get it right. There we go. Delta 72 Heavy getting the runways and taxiways all to itself here. I'm trying to turn down my ATC man, or ATC woman as it were, so I can talk. Ah yes, listen to the roar, here it comes. Oh, we're gonna build the suspense. Pre-game, yes. Foreplay, I like it, Lur. Foreplay me. Oh! Here it comes. Listen, do you mind he roar? I will not scream. I will let you know that. Now you all know I can mimic that perfectly. I just wanted to give it a chance to have the spotlight for a second. Now let me see if I can't get my box right. Jesus Christ. Of Latter-day Saints. Air Bridge is next. Surprise, surprise. Delta 72 is going to be off to Amsterdam in no time, folks. We're going to have a beautiful time. So nice there this time of year. I think. I don't know. I don't really know. Hey, look! 763 Dubs. Okay. And finally, up, and away, avoiding the wall of doom like a pro. Hang on, is this Big Pharma? Is this Big Pharma, Tom? Is that what this is? Holy shit! Wait, hang on, I don't understand. Big Pharma? Or just Pharma? There's nothing wrong with regular Pharma, is there? I don't know, I'm not well read on the subject, but I know this is causing alarm bells to go off in my head. Tom, what's the difference between Pharma and Big Pharma? Is regular Pharma okay? Tom, do you know anything about the Illuminati?
I don't purport to be an expert on Pharma or Big Pharma.
Damn, Tom's not an expert on Pharma or Big Pharma. We're gonna watch this Airbridge Cargo 748 cargo variant. Whatever it wants to paint on itself, it's fine. It's like a tattoo. It's like Pharma that much, go ahead. Just throttle up immediately. Don't do what that Delta 764 did. Please, go. No. See, this is exactly the opposite of what I want you to do. It's full length for a reason. It's not full length so you can lollygag up to this. Are you gonna take off or not? No! Come on, Big Pharma. Looks like it's throttling up. You wouldn't know it to hear it. There we go. I guess it's a respectable roar out of these Generation X engines. Still don't understand your methods. God, that was gradual. Come on. Thank you. Jesus. You better be light, mister, because you just wasted a whole lot of runway. Big Pharma. Alright, Big Pharma. How about we get up and move that ATC box out of my earshot. Sorry. Get on up. Get on up, get down. Now, see, not light at all. Probably fuller than hell. Full of Big Pharma. Big Pharma weighs a lot. Trust me. Steve's still rolling. Still full of Big Pharma. This is Wall of Doom fodder, if you ask me. And it is. Almost swallowed whole. Got to make sure we look out for the Wall of Doom. It just ate Big Pharma. We want to make sure it doesn't overdose. Sons of bitches. Just looking for you all night. Turns out you go deep south. You know better than that, or maybe you don't. Maybe you don't. Maybe I shouldn't blame you. Maybe I should blame the lady I hear on the air traffic control monitoring box. Or maybe I should blame myself. I don't know. Who cares about blame? Just for getting some Canadian cargo. We know they won't be able to leave off that runway, so they'll have to come by and say hello at some point. Bell Jet Ranger. It might not be cops. Bell Jet Rangers are operated by a lot of different folks. But this one looks to be all black and have some kind of FLIR night system on it. Or the APD does operate a Bell Jet Ranger out of the base here, along with a Huey and a, what is that, the MD 500?
In about 3.5 miles, police helicopter VFR 2000. Southbound will be about 1 mile
Air
west
1.
of the approach end of the runway.
Air 1, baby.
All right, man. Delta 226, we're looking.
Delta 226 is aware of you, sir. Or ma'am. Let's see if we can get some identification. Is that a FLIR? That little thing you have?
That is 356. The
Oh,
police
cool.
helicopter has you in sight. We'll maintain visual separation.
Helicopter has you in sight.
356, thank you, man.
Means the cops are looking at you. You better be hands-free, mister. These guys will give you a $75 ticket for putting your hands on your phones. Hands-free. Oh, it is Police Air 1.
Yes, ma'am. Active pursuit to the south on 85.
Pursuit.
I'll give you some additional information now where we're going.
Police Air 1, Roger, you can continue as necessary.
Air 1!
If you have to turn back north.
Go get him! Active pursuit! Pursue, and FLIR their faces off. Oh, yeah, dude. Just some combat maneuvers. Tom! Tom's gonna miss it. He's sitting in his truck.
And the clock is 1 o'clock. VFR police helicopter is 2000. Looks like he's making a right-hand turn back to the
Left-hand
south.
turn.
VFR, and he is in active pursuit.
Active pursuit.
Thanks for playing, sir.
I wish it would pop some flares.
We may be turning back north. I'll advise here shortly.
And Police Air 1, you were stepped on, say again?
Police Air 1, we may be turning back to the north. I'll advise once you make that decision.
Police Air 1, Roger, thank you. Delta 2963 at Atlanta Tower, going to go some runway, and then arrive clear to land. Traffic is a police helicopter at your 1 o'clock and 2.5 miles. VFR is 2,000, 550 turns north. He is currently orbiting. Inside Delta 2963, clear to land, sign right. Police Air 1, traffic at 9 to 10 o'clock and 2 miles. Airbus 321 out of 2,000, landing runway 90 right.
Police Air 1 have a traffic main visual. And looks like we're going back south now.
Police Air 1, thank you.
Runway 9 left, clear takeoff, 1317 heavy.
I heard a British accent. That's Lady Stardust, I say. Lady Stardust making some ruckus. As another heavy jet appears to be emerging from behind the wall of doom. It's distracted me and caused me to lose focus on Lady Stardust. Oh god, there's all sorts of people suddenly pulling up. Don't pull up, people. It's already crowded enough. Oh my god. Okay, he's a smoker. He's good. What the hell is this? Oh, Cutter! Holy f***! Okay, Lady Stardust. Sorry, that's why I was so distracted. So we have Lady Stardust. We have Cutter. We have Tom. We have Stranger who just pulled up. And then we have Stranger who pulled up another. Oh, I know who that is. He's cool. Okay, those are friends. God, look how fast Cutter's going. Oh, are we going full length like badasses? Hell yeah. Let's go full length and actually use the full length runway instead of that taxi forward slowly. Cutter knows how to do it. Do I see something smoking out of his number 2 engine? Look at that. I do see smoke. Surely that's normal. Oh yes, yeah, I believe that's an exhaust tube, probably designed for just such a thing. Nothing to be alarmed about, just a beautiful A350. Is there somebody in a jumpsuit here? Hello, please go real full length. Ah! Excuse me. Please go full length, please sir. Oh, here we go, here we go. Yeah, we're getting ready. Oh yeah, I think he's gonna do it. He's taking care of business. That's how we do it, right there, full length. We use it, 100% full length. It's the sexiest thing man has to offer, full length. Women love full length. Okay, taking it too far, let's just keep it in the box. get busy, do it. Get up and move that Qatari body. Get up, people, now get down. Back to Doha. Not Doha, but Doha. Full flavor Kalita back here. Oh yeah. That is a full flavor Kalita right there. Let us pray that whatever God you choose to worship, that this Kalita comes in on runway 9 right and remains in focus. Oopsies. Come on, baby. 9 right, 9 right, 9 right, 9 right, 9 right to runway to land on today. Come on, Kalita, land on 9 right, 9 right, 9 right, 9 right to the runway to land on today. Hooray! It's straight bed. Holy oh, they recognize it first. It's kind of backlit, but not really. It's front lit, it's just low light. What is this, just 777-200? Well, thank you very much, baby. Blondie green. Oh, the heat's starting to wear on me now. The heavy jets keep on rolling in. Spade bed 227 Eddie is happy to report arrival upon runway on arrival. Still sounding more Australian. Sorry. Kalita, what are you doing? It's just it's a go around. It has to be. They just cleared him. What the f?
Maybe they cleared him too late.
They cleared him, and he is Hyman. I wish I had my ATC access here. We're going to watch this Kalita 747 sink like a stone. Oh, he's going to sink like a stone, Tom. Kalita using the slam dunk approach. I thought it was a go-around at first. Oh yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen a full flavor Kalita. I'm thrilled to see it in this fashion. Let's just hope goes smoothly, or we receive a go around. Oh, there's a tri-olar, I think. Oh, I believe that's the Pacific Germans. I don't know. Whoopsie, sorry. Sorry. Seems to be lined up nicely now. Very nice, very handsome lineup. Evening glow glistens upon Kalita out of Shannon, Ireland. Flight number I cannot recall. Its beauty I always can. Look at it. Good old fashioned. Hey, there's a downwind. Although I do miss the days of the 742 Kalitas. Those have not been seen in years, probably. I know I saw one a few years ago. Maybe 2014. Handsome enough to write a book about. Oh, Kalita, you are a beaut. Oh, the tri-hole might be inboarding. Hang on, let's focus on this. This looks... there's a 717 taking off. I think it is inboard. A tri-hole inboard. This is unheard of. I think so. I really think it is. I could be wrong, and I have been wrong in the past. It is, look, 757's not taking the runway. Inboard, tri-hole, yeah! All right, before I forget, the last time I saw a tri-hole, I completely forgot. Tri-holer, tri-holer, tri-holer. All right. I felt really bad when I forgot it last time. Tri-holer is going to be closer to us than ever before. Germans in their cargo. Way to end the leap. Holy f***. Add a parallelogram for a moment. Oh my god. Look how close it is. Look how close it is, Tom! Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints! It's awesome! Oh yeah! Look at this! Oh yeah! Oh my god almighty! Look at it! It's got a little logo on the tail or something too. Is it soccer related? Football? I don't know. I'm too filled with joy. Holy f***. Never ever before witnessed. Continuing to thrust, reverse, and roar. The Germans and their cargo have wrapped this one out in style.
252-54 heavy. Farnab to Grist, runway nonetheless, clear Saigon.
Farnab to Grist, rolling that. Airport takeoff, 925
Delta 1491, caution about turbulence, runway nonetheless, line up and away.
Out of 49 left, full length, Delta 1491.
Delta 368, thanks for your patience. 0 at Dixie, cross line left, turn left on Lima, connect ground, 0.75.
Hey, crash 9 left, Dixie Lima here, Delta 368.
Virgin 104 Lima Heavy, RNAV to Pickett, runway nonetheless, clear playground.
RNAV Pickett, 9 left, clear takeoff, 104.
Endeavor 5151, tower 9 left, Delta 2476.
Delta 2476, go ahead, sir.
Keep way to the RJ off of your left. Let them proceed left to right in front of you and then continue taxi, please.
Okay, we'll let the RJ, they're waiting on the other side.